everyone, welcome to another edition of Get Social with Bond Finance. My name is Sarah Wilkins and I am sat here today with the Director of Bond, Bruce Mannering. Hi Bruce.
Hi, Sarah. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm very well indeed. Very well indeed.
Good. You are telling us about a very exciting event coming up on the 8th of Feb.
Yes, I'm honoured to speak at Brendan Quinn's National Development Summit on February the 8th. There's going to be so many people there. Great for networking. I believe there's 20 guest speakers, stroke panelists. There's going to be about 150 people there, all property professionals. Great for networking, great for keeping your finger on the pulse. And I'm doing a little section on how to acquire the best terms from lenders in terms of rates and terms. So I've got a small little slot there. I'll be speaking, but I'm also looking forward to meeting the co-host Jack, because he's a very good co-host, and also Toby Spagna, who won the best award, being the best property developer for 2024.
That was at the National Property Investor Awards, wasn't it?
That's the one. Yes,
That's
me
it.
and him attended, and I'm looking forward to catch up with him, as I'm his broker and
You are indeed.
I'm part of his power team. So I'll be looking forward to see what he'll be talking about.
Just having a chat, on that word power team. What is so important about having a power team to hand?
Well, I'm not good at everything. I'm good at finance. If I wanted, a legal opinion, I'll go and speak to a solicitor,
Yeah.
and a good solicitor. If I wanted mentoring, I'll speak to a good mentor. And you need to be the CEO of your business, and you pull in people who will add value, because no one's good at everything.
No, and this is where these type of people are going to be at the summit.
Yes, spot on, spot on.
Yeah.
So it's the
Yeah.
8th of Feb, Marriott Hotel, Heathrow, 8:30 to 5 o'clock. I will see you there.
And it's a Saturday, so you've got no excuse.
Exactly. No excuse not to turn up. All right.
Brilliant. Thanks, Bruce. I will also be putting the booking link in the bio as well. And just so that you know, this event is a one-off. It's not going to be run again. So you got to be there.
Fantastic.
Thanks,
All right.
everyone. Thanks, Bruce.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye, Sarah.